sausage.
Where did this filthy strike come from? Get lost! Don't you dare give my Sebastian fleas! Some dogs.
Working really hard is my quest. I'm gonna do my dairy best. Huh? Oh, goodness! Wait, you gotta get out of there! Wow, you're cute! I'm Wilk. And what's your name? Oh, you're hungry, huh? Hang on. There, you can have some fresh milk. Drink up. Aw, you're a hungry little pooch, huh? Hey, I know. You should come back with me to the barber shop. We have food there. I know for sure Master Bread will like you.
No way.
Please, sir? Poor Sausage doesn't have anywhere else to go.
No pets allowed in the barbershop.
Master, please. I'm real sorry, Sausage. My boss said we can't keep you in the barber shop at all. No! Sausage! There, you can stay in here from now on, Kay? Shh! We can't let my boss find out, okay?
Donut Ranger! Will, can you grab me more cream? Wilk? Where is that kid? Wilk, are you down here? Huh? What is going on?
Ow! Master Bread! It's my fault, sir. Please don't kick poor Sausage out.
I'm not. I'm kicking you both out.
Please forgive me this once, sir.
Oh, my crust, aren't you the cutest little thing? Does this cute pup live in the shop? Well, he's so great. Is it okay if I take a picture with your dog?
Yeah, of course, ma'am, of course. Old Sausage here, he's the mascot of our shop, right? Please, take a picture, as many as you'd like.
Well, thanks so much.
Sir?
And if you upload the picture, I'll give you a discount.
That's so cool. This place is awesome.
Great! Whoever wants a discount on their cut, please line up over here now.
All right. Sausage is so super cute. I'm next.
On the count of 3, everyone smile. 1, 2, sausage!
Every sausage has his day.
Sausage, what do you want? I'm busy. Don't you have buns to sniff?
Not right now, Sausage. I'll play with you later, okay?
No one cared enough to feed you today. Eat up, little buddy. By the way, shouldn't someone walk him around the neighborhood?
Can't you see I'm busy? Ask Wilk. He'll do it.
I'm too busy too, though. Choco, can't you do it today?
Ugh, picking up the slack. Sausage, wanna go on a walk? Don't take it personally. Things have been busy at the shop these days. They should take better care of their dog. I'm sure we can make them step up.
Greetings. Can an all-weary steamed bun rest his feet here for a moment?
Of course, sir. Can I get a drink for you?
Oh, I see it all.
See what now?
You broke your milk carton when you were a young lad. Milk splattered all over the place. Your parents were beside themselves. I see it all, crying over the spilt milk.
Yes, it's all true. You knew, but how did you know?
I know everything.
What do you see in Master Bread? Anything embarrassing?
The past is long. I see a stage.
Oh, what?
Oh, the shine of the spotlight is blinding. I hear an audience erupting in applause.
Oh.
Wow, how did you know Master Bread was an actor when he was young?
Master Steamed Bun's powers are limitless. He predicts not only people's pasts, but their futures too. Even the Queen of Bakery Town has used his services before. Not to mention his guest star appearance on Carbs of Our Lives.
I see something else now. Something incredible. It's the future of this dog and who owns him.
What about him?
The one who cares for this dog will live in the Tower Palace.
Tower Palace?
None other than the Royal House. A garage of 1,000 cars. Steaks and lobsters every night. Limitless riches are awaiting you.
Sausage's owner.
Could it be true?
I see it all. None are lies.
Come, boy, dinner time.
No way! He can't eat that! Sausage deserves better food than this.
He's always had this.
Sausage deserves the highest quality stuff. Delicious beef jerky. Come here, little friend. And I think they're organic, too. Sausage, where are you going?
Oh, you're here, friend. I've made a perfect ribeye steak just for you, buddy. Huh?
But wait! Sausage was about to eat the food that I got for him.
He doesn't want that junk. Turkey would upset his stomach. Go on, eat. It's all just for you. Sausage! You want to go for a walk? Ta-da! It's your new harness! To protect your tender little feet. Ha! The new airbun shoes!
What are you trying to do? You didn't even consider that Sausage could sprain an ankle on a walk.
But he needs his daily exercise.
Ta-da! A pet stroller for my best little guy. Time to go. What part of the neighborhood do you like the best?
Oh.
That was fun. After the exercise, do you want to take a bath? Look, boy, a pet jacuzzi bath. It cost 3 months of my salary, but it's worth it for my favorite dog.
Don't tell me you're about to bathe this dog in that bucket you call a bath. Don't worry, Papa's got you.
Where are you taking him, Master Bread? Whoa!
See? Better.
What in the world?
A Japanese-style hot spring, only for Sausage to use. Who takes good care of you, Master Bread?
Greetings, friends. Just an old bun passing by.
Mr. Bun, look, I'm taking great care of him. Sausage, you're mine, right?
That's just not true. Sausage is mine.
No, I brought him home. That makes him my dog.
No, he lives in my shop.
They really needed that kick in the pants to step up and take care of their dog.
Sure, anytime. I'm just doing my job, of course.
Here, as we discussed.
Pleasure doing business with you. See you around.
Huh?
Barbershop pup. Wow, Choco! We got to the office at the same time! Twinsies!
What a small world.
Good morning, Sausage. Eat up, buddy. You have such a good life. All you have to do is play around and eat.
You're telling me we pick up his poop, he lives here rent-free, gives us nothing.
Not quite. In return, he gives us enjoyment by being cute.
Please, I hope I'm a sausage in my next life.
Mommy Jam, Baby Jam, Daddy Jam. Oh, no, wait. This one should be Mommy Jam. Or is it Uncle Jam? No, you look good with banana hair. Baby Jam, what do you think?
Wilk, whipped cream. Wilk?
The real question is, which one of you is the Grandpa Jam? Sausage, can you give me a minute? I'm doing important things.
That's it, Wilk. You're fired. Now get lost.
Master Bread, no!
Wilk? Strawberry, blueberry, chocolate. Finished. Ta-da!
Oh, nice! You really are a genius barber.
Being the best is tricky work. Sausage, what are you so tired for? You don't work.
man, I can't see anything. Here's the stuff from storage you needed.
All right, thanks.
Yay! Lunchtime!
Who's in charge of cooking lunch?
Me! We're having curry rice.
Oh, I could use that.
Time to make a yummy lunch. Wonder how I can jazz up the same old thing. Instead of curry, I'll use caramel to make lunch extra sweet. I know Master Bread likes his spicy stuff, so this ghost pepper ought to do the trick. Carrots are boring. Let's throw in some gummy bears. Mushroom? Ugh. More like marshmallow, right? All done. I'll just wait for that to boil. Lunch is served.
Oh, this isn't bad.
It tastes kind of sweet.
It's my top secret curry recipe. The secret is caramel.
No way. It's subtle.
Wilt's a better cook than I'd have thought.
Sausage, you should eat up. I'm good at cooking. One day I might teach you.
I can't. Why can't I balance these accounts? Ugh, I need to clear my head.
Choco, why isn't this done?
Because it's really hard to do. You try getting it done.
Hey, I'm your boss!
Oh yeah? Bite me. Huh? Everything's balanced now? Did I read it the wrong way?
Wow! It's time to go home!
See you all tomorrow.
Likewise. Hasta banana.
Sausage, goodbye! Choco, we got here at the same time again! Twins!
Amazing.
Oh! Sausage, how are you?
Will, put some tea on, will you?
This place would come to a screeching halt without me. You're such a lucky dog. You just get to play all day. Yes, sir! On my way!